So, we are beginning our first session. SSC's Basics Knowing Your Anatomy Well Must Read Books by Dr. Vaishakhi Prasannan.
Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Vaisakhi Prasannan. I am currently doing Pediatric Ophthalmology Fellowship at Dr. Shroff Charity Eye Hospital, Delhi. And we'll start our presentation stressing on the fact that we should always know what we do, especially when it comes to case of surgeries. Like we already know, the eye sees what the mind knows. Similarly, we can only perform a surgery until we know the surgery very well. And hence, before starting any surgical training, we should be well read about the surgical anatomy, the steps of surgery, instrumentation, when to modify your technique regarding each step, complications to be anticipated in each step, how to identify the complications and managing it. How to learn a surgery. Textbooks and literature are the foundation stone for learning anything. Added to that, we can have classes, discussion among seniors and our peer group, videos, observation, and importantly, wet lab practice. Today, we'll be discussing few books which are essential while learning the surgical anatomy and surgical step in case of SICS. First one is Henderson's textbook on manual SICS cataract surgery. Here, this book gives an extensive review about the instruments, details of each instruments, anesthesia, step of surgery along with its diagram, how to identify complication and managing. And this book is around 185 pages and it gives an extensive knowledge about everything you should know about SICS, and it is available in Telegram. And this textbook by Ashok Garg on small incision cataract surgery, it's a very big book, around 1000 pages, and it starts with anatomy of crystalline lens, etiology and classification of cataract, and also it gives a brief idea about how OT instruments are sterilized, anesthesia, step of surgery, and dynamics of each step are given in detail in this book. Also, it tells about the complication, recent advances, and special cases, like in case of pediatric cataract surgery also it discusses. And this is available, actually you can buy it from Amazon, and this book comes with a CD-ROM which has surgical videos also. And this is a very concise textbook containing of 30 pages by Dr. Ruji Goyal et al. And here it gives steps of each surgery with diagram, and it's very precise book. It's a very handy book which you can use for revising or just to brush up your knowledge about SICS. And coming to Aravind manual SICS cataract surgery manual, here this is one which we also had followed. It gives details about surgical instruments as well as surgical steps and complication, and this is also available as ebook online. And this is a link which you can use to get the book. Finally, YouTube has become a very accessible as well as a reliable source for learning. And this OroTube is a channel by Aravind Eye Hospital, Pondicherry, which gives detail about SICS, how to perform each step, and how to perform each special cases also. Finally, these are two books by Harvansh Lal et al. And Siebel on phacoemulsification surgery. Understanding the mechanism of each step helps in learning as well as practicing them in a better way. Also, it boosts your confidence. Knowing the dynamics make the surgery a better experience for the learner as well as a good outcome for the patient. And above all, always, rather than reading, practice makes it perfect. It's your practice that will make your surgery always perfect. Thank you.